Hey everyone, Linda Reed-Enever, and welcome to the back end of Business. Now I'm going to take you through some handy little tools to automate the running of your Facebook group. Now this is complemented by the automating your Facebook group workflow that we have in the AI Async and Automation Hub. So if you've not checked that out, go check it out. It talks about how we set up our group, how we do all of those sorts of things, and how we make the most of it. There are a number of features inside your group that allow you to automate the running and share some great things from here. The first one is guides. So guides allows you to set up guides that allow people to get to know the group and the community and the services and the products that you have along the way. So you can see here we've got a getting to know BBB one, we've got a business resources one that's to be built out, we've got our business reading, we've got the podcast as they're presenting, and we've got the opportunity to learn with us as well through here. And these guides just dive into each one of those key topics and key areas for us to organize information that we would share with members again and again. We then have our featured tab, which is where you can feature your key messages and things like the group guidelines and the posts and any key messages that you want to feature. And all you've got to do is hit three little dots and it will say pin to featured will pop up on any post that you want to feature from there. Okay, the next area where you can, use the Facebook for automation features to make the most out of your group is the events tab. So if you're running events like we are, you can pop in your events tab and invite people along. So you can run in-person and online events and start to add them through to your Facebook group. And what that means for your members is when they're coming in and they're going through to the community home, they're getting to see the discussion tab, they're getting to see the featured stuff, they can see the events popping up in the feed here, and we're making the most out of the tools that Facebook give us as a group to be able to engage our community and engage our people. And I know and I understand there's been a lot of panic around the changes in Facebook doing this. So this is our way of showing you how you can do it. The next area that you would jump into then is your activity log, where you can see what's been going on from admins and you can see what you need to be able to do. And this is where Admin Assist kicks in, which is the new area that I'm about to show you here. So Admin Assist is not new as in Facebook. It's been around for a little while. But basically what it does is it allows us to set rules and criteria to make our group run smoothly and also schedule those reoccurring posts. So in our Admin Assist here, we have a welcome post that when 5 new people join the group, it puts out our custom little welcome post as well, and it automatically tags our admins. So if you want to see what ours looks like, it says, welcome to the community. Here's some handy links and some intros, and the options are all there ready to go. We've then got it to publish custom posts. Okay, so weekly wins on a Friday. It puts a post out and it requests our weekly wins. We've got our guideline reminders in there. We've got our new start to the week posts in there. And we've got the opportunity for you to, call out for articles, all of those sorts of things. So you can think of the posts that you're going to post regularly and schedule them out. And you can do them every other, or you can do them on a particular day of the month. They don't have to be weekly, and you can even do daily ones. But I would limit the daily ones as much as you possibly can. You can then use Admin Assist to approve members. So you can look if the people have answered all the questions, if they have more friends in the group, because that normally means trust, and how long they've had their Facebook account for. So we don't tend to let people, in on auto approval for 24 months. We decline members automatically if they don't agree to the group rules. It's part of the questions and the group areas that are coming in there. If they've had their Facebook account for 1 month or less, we tend to know that they're a spammer. And if they don't have a personal profile picture, that tends to be another reason that we would do them. We've got suspending if certain people have had posts removed, and we've got declining incoming posts if there's no profile picture, fewer than 10 characters, all the things that would be spammy along the way. There are many things that you can use Admin Assist to be able to do within your group, but I really suggest you dive in and make the most of it. You can, as I said, do the Admin Assist post from there. And then finally, when you want to jump in and you want to be scheduling posts, here in your discussion thing, and this is the great thing about groups, whether it's your business page or your profile page, you can start writing up your post in here and you go text, let's go test post. And then you can hit this lovely little schedule button so you can set the date and time. Now, that doesn't matter if you're using a business page or your personal profile to do it. You can schedule that admin management, the posts that you're going to be sharing for the month ahead. Inside the AI Async and Automation Hub, we have a dedicated planning template that you can use to plan out the posts. It's the one that we use here in the group. So you can see where our managed requests are, what we've currently got. You can see the pending posts that I need to jump in and have a look at. And you could see scheduled posts if we had some scheduled posts in here, but the scheduled posts would be popping in here. And you can always create and schedule posts from this tab as well. So I hope that helps you in understanding how, going forward, you can look after your Facebook group using the automation features Facebook already has.